Hello, I'm Brad Whaley with Whaley Properties here at Keller Williams Realty. Many people are asking me, what's going on in the real estate market today, Brad? Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? The answer is yes. And here's why, depending on your needs. Have you ever had a time where you said to yourself after the fact, dang, I wish I had purchased that property, or I wish I had sold earlier? So we're having a shift in the market, and actually the plate's actually shifted. It's already moved. Some articles I've posted here on our newsletter below. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see some of what the media is coming out with. Yet here's some critically important information in statistics. Okay, I felt so compelled that I wanted to make sure I got this out at the last minute, kind of little video blog here. On March 26, I track stats pretty regularly, and on March 26, 2018, there were about 5298 homes on the market. Today, there's 8218. So they went up 35%. The inventory's up 35%. Now, contracts are down 16%, those that have actually gone into contract. Yet today, this is so critical. Your chance of going into contract in March was 78%, and today it's 43% based on those pending, those contracts. So that even shocked me. But here's an even more severe statistic. Total sales in count went down 4%. Now that doesn't sound like much, right? And that's since March. Yet the real issue is only 31% of those going on the market will sell if we take this last 30 days sales projection. Yikes! So if you're a seller, you may have some problems if you don't structure your sale to win right out of the gate. Now, the media is just beginning to pick up on this information, and this usually increases the impact as people catch on. So in anticipation of these changes, we're needing to gear up for strategies to help our sellers and buyers in this shifting taking place now. So now one example would be a seller publishes their buying down interest rates for the buyer. Now this needs to be published, but it actually can hold their price a little stronger. There's also 5, 7, 10-year ARMs, that's adjustable rate mortgages, that are coming out fairly strong today. Now, anyone involved in commercial over the years sees that this is a pretty normal type of product. You just always have to be do a little safe planning. Okay, so why this change in the market? Number one, with rising interest rates, buyers have less purchasing power, with the net effect on fewer sales. Fewer sales, lower prices as competition increases. So to sell, you have to beat out the competition. And if you are competitive in your pricing, you will sell and will likely get more money than if you overprice and keep reducing it downwards. Now, interest rates are slated to increase on December 19th. In fact, there's a 95% chance they're going to go up 0.25% by the Feds. Now, what's more important than that small increase is what the commentary will be relative to future projections along with these increases. So, number two, the condition of your home is always a factor in pricing. The better the condition, the more value will be demonstrated to the buyers. We have a recent example of a property in a community that is one of 4 model matches for sale, and some were like $40,000 below our low end of our value range. Anyway, bottom line, we're in contract, they're not. The other 3 are still sitting around. Fortunately, our seller let us actually do the staging, which helped with buyer's first impression. And if you get a chance, you can view our News 8 video on our website for good information on this topic. So what if there's no money available for a seller putting a home into good condition? Okay, actually I set an appointment with a nice couple today where that's the situation. And at that point, there must be a reality check with that seller as to the value to the buyer and a realistic expectation of what it's going to take to get the home offers and ultimately into contract. Buyers want move-in ready today, or they're going to consider it a fixer. Buyers are busy. There's options out there of good condition homes. Several newer homes in the market area, well cared for homes, or freshly renovated. Now, number 3, affordabilities. Buyers' wages are not keeping up with home prices. Therefore, adjustments are taking place now. And then last 4, of course, is consumer confidence. Buyers will buy value. Now, the economy is strong, but if the economy is strong, then, and buyers know this, they will continue to buy if they see the value. So I'm not an economist, and I'm not going to be discussing the projections of our economy. I'll let you dig deeper with your financial advisors or other articles. But assuming that we maintain a good economy, then there's an absolute great opportunity for the buyers and sellers in this marketplace today. But they do need to take careful action. So definitely give me a call. Again, Brad Whaley, Whaley Properties here at Keller Williams. And give me a call, 760-473-8060. Thanks again.